Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 199, almost 200. Now if you hear, the kids are playing in another neighboring backyard if you hear them. So 199, one more to go for 200. I'm going to show you a really quick video before I finish the job. Yesterday it poured rain, almost Cinco de Mayo, it's pouring rain, and it's 60 degrees today here where I am in Central California's Zone 9B. Let me show you something I want to talk about before I finish the job. And Lulu wants to say hi. Hi, Lulu. So let me talk about, so here's the Concord Grape. There's a few other grape plants. I'm taking some grape plants out and some died from an illness. Take a look at the flame seedless and look how much I already took off. Look at, this is one plant, by the way, all the way here to here. Now with all this extra rain, I'm really happy. I should have put it on a table so I could save the leaves and make some sarma or yalanchi. But look at all the beautiful the leaves are. For so much rain, I've never seen such beautiful leaves. And I have a video, I haven't uploaded yet. It's old. I had the least amount of fire blight on my apples with tons of rain. I don't really get it, but I've been really working hard this year or winter for pruning. But now again, we gotta prune again. So if you are in a location like I'm in, like last year, we were a record amount of rain and probably record amount of rain again. The growth is insane. One of these branches, or excuse me, the vines, I forgot which one, probably, it was one of these. It was way up there in my neighbor's almond tree. It's time now to prune back. There's no way. This is an issue of illness or disease, in the future. It's like, no, it's gorgeous, Moses. Look at all this leaves. Look at all the growth. This is the worst thing for grapes. There's gonna be you see how dark it is in there? There's gonna be no air movement, no sunlight. It's gonna be all scale. I've never seen aphids, but I've seen scale. It's gonna be black ants, scale, powdery mildew, etc., etc., etc. You gotta clean it up, and every leaf should almost see sunlight. Should see sunlight, but if it's like partially covered, it's okay. But where you see just dark leaves right here, that's gonna be powdery mildew. I'm surprised it's not powdery mildew yet. So if you're seeing holes, by the way, it's not bug bites. We had hail a little while ago, probably. I have a video of it. I did a slow motion video. Maybe I should upload it. It's a short though, YouTube short, where I did like 120 frames per second, and I caught the hail going slowly down. All my leaves, avocado leaves, all the new leaves just got holes in them because of that. Look at by the way, since we're at it, look how much growth the Kadota, I gotta zoom all the way out, the Kadota Fig's having right now. Look at the beautiful leaves, and this has to be 100%, well, good soil. You see how dark the soil is, building it up. This is from beautiful, gorgeous, fresh water rainfall. And the fig's already starting to set on right now. This branch has to be taken out because it's crossing over. There's my baby Tallin's peach. I don't know why I'm doing a tour, but whatever. And the Genedig green sour ooh, are you alive? I thought you were a twig. Isn't that crazy? I was about to grab that like a twig. A dragonfly. This is the Genedig, but I'm not seeing any. Did they fall from the last rain? Because it was windy like crazy. Yeah, they did. Look. This is, you eat this unripe. Green sour Persian plum, or we call it Genedig. So, shoot. How many are in here then? Anyways. So, once again, look at that, how I had to put a new line there, because that rope is like 5 years old or 4 years old. It's sagging way too much, and it wasn't a clothesline rope. You could use metal as well. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm forgetting the word. Metal wire. But I like using clothesline because it doesn't harm the plants that much. This wasn't a clothesline and it sagged. This is clothesline. Try to buy clothesline so they're sag resistant. I got a lot of work to do, and it's gorgeous weather, so I'm gonna take advantage of it. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.